We are going to learn two more verbs for today. One is vouloir. Vouloir. It means to want. Vouloir. So, as usual, we write the subjects, and now the conjugation is je veux. V-E-U-X. Je veux. I want. Tu veux. You want. Il veut. He wants. Note the spelling here. It is V-E-U-T. He wants. Elle veut. She wants. Nous voulons. We want. Vous voulez. You want. Ils veulent. They want. Elles veulent. They want. So this conjugation is slightly different. Je veux. Tu veux. Il veut. Elle veut. Nous voulons. Vous voulez. Ils veulent. Elles veulent. Now moving on to the next verb. The next verb is somewhat similar to this. The next verb is pouvoir. Pouvoir. It means can or to be able to. So if you notice, it is similar to the verb voir. Do you remember what voir means? It means to see. So now we will see the conjugation for the verb pouvoir. So I'll keep the subject as it is. So it is similar to the previous verb vouloir. Je peux. Je peux. I can. Tu peux. You can. Il peut. He can. Elle peut. She can. For nous, it is nous pouvons. Nous pouvons. For vous, it is vous pouvez. And for il, it is il peut. The spelling is different from the pronunciation. We don't pronounce the ENT at the end. Il peut and elle peut. So if you notice, this is similar to the previous verb that we learned, which is vouloir. Pouvoir means can, and this is how the conjugation goes. Je peux, I can. Tu peux, you can. Il peut, he can. Elle peut, she can. Nous pouvons, we can. Vous pouvez, you can. Ils peuvent, elles peuvent. Both these sentences mean they can. Il peut and elle peut. So we have learnt the verbs vouloir and pouvoir and their conjugation.